Hey, I'm Elizabeth from Tilda. In this video, I'm gonna break down the flying cards animation effect and show you how you can create it without using any code. Right, so I've designed this layout with cards that we will animate. First, we have to transfer the layout from Figma into Tilda. You can do it manually or use the Auto Import feature. See the guide to importing Figma designs in the description of this video. Now, on Tilda, select the first card and open the step-by-step animation settings. Let's select the event on scroll, add a new step, set the distance to 250 pixels, movement along the x-axis -250, and a rotation of -10. With these parameters, on scroll, the card will be shifted to the left by 250 pixels and rotate by 10 degrees. Now let's copy the animation and select the third card. Paste the copied animation and open the settings. We need to adjust the value in the first step to make the card shift to the right side. So change the move value to 250 and the rotation degree to 10. Publish the page and check it out. The effect looks impressive. You can also use this effect for the mobile version. Switch to the mobile 320 pixels resolution in zero block, select the first card, and enable animation in mobile by clicking Switch On. Now edit the settings and adjust the value in the first step. As the screen width is smaller, we need to reduce the x-axis move to -20 pixels so that the card does not go beyond the screen. Repeat the same thing with the other card and change the move to 20 pixels. Done! Hope you enjoyed this animation tutorial. Let us know in the comments what other effects you'd like to learn. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Tilda channel. See you soon. Bye bye.